following is a release from the People's National Party Media Unit.
This is Wavell Hinds, your opposition spokesperson on Labour and Sports. The opposition, the People's National Party, is calling out the government for its continued neglect of cricket and the broader sporting sector in Jamaica. This is against the backdrop of the Prime Minister's recent visit to Sabina Park, where he proclaimed that the government has not neglected the sport and cited the installation of upgrading lighting at a cost of US $450,000, the equivalent of 70 million Jamaican dollars, from the taxpayers' fund, and a scoreboard gifted by the government of India. He also declared that Sabina Park is now ready to host international games. This fanfare is an inadequate attempt by the government to cover up its massive failure in deciding not to bid for the International Cricket Council Men's T20 World Cup 2024. It is nothing short of scandalous that this government failed to submit a bid to host cricket matches despite the ICC extending the bid deadline to accommodate late bids in the case of Jamaica, despite negotiations with the government of India for the scoreboard from as early as 2023, long before the World Cup. Jamaica missed out on a golden opportunity. Yes, we did. Caribbean nations that bid are now reaping massive economic returns. Trinidad and Tobago saw a return of 69 million and Barbados as much as 426 million. Had Jamaica participated, thousands of Jamaicans, including vendors, hotels, taxi operators, small businesses, would have benefited enormously. Instead, this government has only offered political grandstanding and ribbon cutting. The JLP has once again put politics before people and short-term headlines before long-term development. This uncaring JLP administration has failed cricket, failed sports, and failed our youth. Apart from photo ops, statues, and handshakes with athletes who succeed despite the lack of support, they have done little to advance the sporting sector. Jamaica deserves leadership with vision, not vanity.
Visit our website at pnp.org.jm or check us out on Facebook at Jamaica PNP.